Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Burgman 200 with ABS brakes. This full-size scooter, 200cc, still light, easy to handle, but you can carry a passenger, freeway legal, beautiful condition, beautiful metallic white paint scheme. Awesome Corbin seat, well cared for, just acquired from its original owner. This bike is in beautiful condition. Make your scooter dreams come true for just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Electric start, automatic transmission, ABS brakes. What more do you want? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.